I am recording. I am behind the camera. I am seeing how it sounds outdoors from behind the camera. I'm now going to turn the camera around and put it on the rail and then step back at the same volume, repeat the same phrase, and see how it sounds. I am now 1 foot away from the camera. My phrase is my password. I am now 4 feet from the camera. My phrase is my password. I am now 6 to 7 feet from the camera. My phrase is my password. I am now tripping over a chair at approximately 10 to 12 feet from the camera. My phrase is my password. I am now 12 to 15 feet from the camera. My phrase is my password. I am now 15 to 16 feet from the camera. My phrase is my password. I am now nearly 20 feet from the camera. My phrase is my password. I'm now walking back toward the camera, speaking the entire time, so we can see if there is some sweet spot between here and there for it to work.